Hey guys, welcome back. I'm gonna be doing another collab with the awesome and beautiful Mariam of Long Live Makeup. We're gonna be using the Dawn Eyes Premiums. Not that you could see that because I don't know, my camera's being dumb lately. Anyways, they're these freaking amazing multi-chrome pigments. If you have not heard of them or seen them yet, oh crap, I should not do that. That is like the second time I've spilled. Anyways, what was I saying? Oh yeah, they're amazing shadows, and you're gonna want them after you see some of them in action. But yeah, like I said, me and Mariam are doing a collab, and do not forget to check out her video using these pigments. I used 4 today, and it actually went a lot smoother than I thought, especially with getting this little line. It actually went fairly quickly, which I'm very surprised. But if you were interested on how I got these freaking amazing multi-chrome colored eyes, then just keep watching. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna map out. I'm gonna do like a liner above my lid, yes. And I'm gonna map it out with this green pencil of where I want to put it first. So yeah, I've already done it on this side because I don't want this video to last like 10 years, so yeah. Okay, now I'm gonna take the shade Mystical, and I'm gonna foil that with some Glamour Doll eyes, and then I'm gonna fill that in. That's as good as it's gonna get. That looks really funny. Okay, now I'm going to use a sticky base. I'm just going to use Glamour Doll Eyes. Put that on my lids. And the first color I'm going to go into is, what is this? Not this one. Entrancing. Which is really pretty green. And I'm going to put that on the inner third. If I can find a good brush. Here we go. I'm going to go into the shade Enchanting, which is like a purpley blue. And that one's gonna go in the center. Kind of rubbing it over the green so it helps it blend into it a little bit better. Okay, and then the last shade, not that one. It's Fantastical, which is freaking gorgeous. It's like I don't even know, it looks purple, magenta, copper. And that one's just gonna go on the outer part of the lid. So pretty. I'm gonna make like a little wing, kind of. So it matches the, well, not matches, but it kind of flows with the other one. Ooh, I see a red too. It's really cool because this light's over here and this light's right here, so I'm seeing like 2 different colors. It's pretty awesome. Okay, next I'm going to get rid of this fallout. Then I will kind of fix the, kind of clean that up a little bit. And the outer part, oops. And I'm just going to try to blend the crease, but I don't want to mess up that line, so I'm not gonna. Doesn't look so bad right now anyways, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. But I am gonna put something on the inner corner. I'll use the Kat Von D Alchemist palette, and I will use the Amethyst shade, which is that middle one. It's like purple blue. Okay, and then to mattify the brow bone, I'm going to use Torso Morbid So Goes My Nation. That. I'm also going to put a little bit of that Fantastical on the lower lash line. I'm not going to put anything on my waterline today because my eyes are hating me. Blend that out. And this is the final look. Going to try to, there we go, move my lighting so you can see the two different, or multiple different colors really. Let me steady my camera. Okay. This isn't even really like the full effect. Like, I think that's almost impossible to capture. You really have to see these in person. But holy crap. Freaking amazing, you guys. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this little tutorial collab. I'm really excited to see what Mariam comes up with. I'm wondering if it's gonna be similar, which it probably won't because it hasn't been yet. All these collabs we've done, we always think we're gonna do something similar and we don't, which is cool and awesome at the same time. But anyways, I'm very curious. So yeah, don't forget to check out her video. I will link her stuff down below in the description bar, and I will see you all real soon.